I pronounce that they be man and wife. Amen.
They're here! The puppets are here!
Walt Disney Pictures presents 101 Dalmatians.
Your father, Pongo!
They were totally irresistible,
We must call this one lucky.
unbelievably precious,
Dipstick?
and had a style all their own,
Whizzer.
which is all Cruella de Vil ever wanted.
I live for fur. I worship fur. Put them in a bag. I'll take them with me now.
The puppies are not for sale.
Take it!
Now,
Just wait! Oh, you even! Oh, I got this!
It's all right, lady. We're professionals.
the battle is on.
Catch those puppies!
Walt Disney Pictures presents
Oi! Get out of my truck!
Woof, woof.
Glenn Close,
Good evening, madam. Extend leg.
101 Dalmatians.
From a world of incredible spectacle, at the edge of the Alaskan frontier.
It's gone.
From a place where the unexpected and the extraordinary
Look, the 2-mile mark.
happen every day,
Come on, we catch the end of the race.
comes the unforgettable legend of Balto.
But you can call him idiot.
Do you honestly think any musher would ever put you on his team?
He was an outsider who wasn't like the others
Balto, wait! Balto!
until a town needed a miracle.
Rosie.
We can get that medicine through.
You said what?
Come on, mush!
He's going into freezing coldness to find a dog he doesn't like to bring medicine back to a town that doesn't like him.
In a test of will, he challenged the impossible.
You'll never get home. I'll make sure of that.
In a race against time,
Balto, slow down!
Balto is their only hope.
They've missed their second checkpoint.
Universal Pictures and Amblin Entertainment invite you to join Steel,
Touch that box, and I'll tear you apart.
Caltag and Star,
Hey, this is gonna be good.
Muck and Luck,
Well, of course we were. We were in the water. We were moving. We were swimming.
and Boris
I was so scared. I got equal bumps.
on an incredible adventure into the heart of a hero.
Not dog, not wolf. You're a hero.
Balto.
Throughout the history of motion pictures, there have been many big dog stars. Toto had a big adventure. Petey had a big appetite. Rin Tin Tin was a big hero. And Lassie had a big heart.
You've come back!
But now, Ivan Reitman, who brought you Ghostbusters, Kindergarten Cop, and Twins, proudly presents the biggest dog star of them all. Beethoven.
No. No, no, no!
Wherever there's trouble, wherever there's danger,
Oh my gosh, Emily's in the pool!
wherever there's food,
Mutt?
Oh, I just love these big dumb animals.
look who's coming to the rescue.
Whoa! Dad! Honey.
With a little help from his friends.
Sick of boys! Really, hon, I never found you more attractive. We're going in!
It's not even Saturday night. Well, she drive me crazy.
George? Who are you talking to?
Charles Grodin. Beethoven.
No, 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 no! No! You're just a demon. You're just a demon!
It's expired, sir.
Come on, man. You know how many times I've been in and out of this gate with that?
Excuse me?
What's the odds on ISIS?
Step out of the vehicle, sir.
You want me to step out the vehicle? I'll have it.
He's with the Ranger Battalion.
Ranger Battalion. I've been busting my ass to get my mind and my body back into a good place. I need to get back in the game, sir.
You want to get back in the game? Prove it. Sergeant Rodriguez was a legend. Family funeral Sunday outside of Nogales. They want his dog at the funeral. You do this, and you're back in the game. She won't work with anyone. One minute she's good, the next minute she's sending 3 guys to the ER.
What's up, dog?
And you're gonna go on a little road trip. Easy. What are y'all so scared of? Smell it out, big time.
What is your deal, man?
Maybe just take the crazy down one notch.
Hey! No, 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 no! No! You're just a demon. You're just a demon! Whatever happened to you, dog? You used to be a legend. Hey, hey, hey! Oh, no, 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 no! Hey, dog!
You're so good.
How'd you make her get out of your hand?
I just talked to her. See, she's just a noodle. She just is so good.
You don't do anything else psychotic on this trip? Maybe we could have some fun. Is that a deal? Shake?
Lulu, is that you? Good girl.
Will you give hugs now? Really?
Lulu gives the best hug. You've never had a Lulu hug?
No, we don't exactly hug. So you telling me that Nuke was just as messed up as Lulu?
I had to work him every day for 6 months. When he stopped struggling, that's when I realized maybe I could stop struggling too.
It's okay. It's just lightning, right?
Look at that!
She's never slept in a nice bed before.
There ain't no shame in wanting a big comfy mattress. I was hoping you might have a room for me and my little girl.
Is that a Purple Heart? Was she wounded?
Yes, she was.
Thank you for your service.
I've never seen this dog exhibit any aggressive behavior before.
Never. She loves people. Oh my God, I can see. You're definitely not the girl I thought I'd be in the tub with, but I'll take what I can get at this point, I guess.
Welcome to the bottom of the world, Doc.
Go any further south, you'll fall off the planet.
In Antarctica, the most isolated region on Earth, survival expert Jerry Shepard and the crew of the United States Research Base are about to embark on the last mission of the season.
Dr. McLaren needs to get to Mount Melbourne.
There's only one way to make that trip, and that's with the dogs.
The dogs.
On lead, we got my best girl, Maya. This is Shorty, all brawn and no brain. But we love him. That's Max. He's still in training. The granddaddy of the bunch, old Jack. You in or out, buddy?
Translation?
That'd be out. We got the twins, Dewey, Truman. The gray one, Shadow. And the red one is Buck. Where are we going, Dry Valleys?
Yeah, like the dogs know where they're going.
You going to Melbourne?
That's incredible.
All right, team, last hike of the season. Hike! Hike! Doc, don't move. You're outside the safety zone. Doc! Doc! Easy, Maya. Take it to him. Hike!
Dr. McLaren needs proper medical attention.
What are we gonna do about the dogs?
We can only carry what we can. We can fly right back, bring the dogs out.
I'll be back. I promise.
The storm of the century is hitting.
How are we gonna get the dogs?
This winter,
Nobody flies back, not in this weather.
Those dogs are my family. We can't just leave them out there.
8 heroes will be stranded at the bottom of the world. And as they make their way across the frozen wilderness, all they can count on is each other.
Never underestimate any living spirit's will to survive, especially when they're surrounded by family.
And the one man
I gotta get back there.
will stop at nothing to bring them home.
I owe it to him.
From Walt Disney Pictures comes the most incredible story of survival, friendship,
They saved my life. These 8 amazing dogs.
and adventure
Let's go.
ever told.
You gotta take chances for the things you care about.
8 Below, inspired by a true story.
Hachiko was my grandfather Wilson's dog. Everyone called Hachi a mystery dog because they never really knew where he came from. And that's where their story began.
Hey, buddy, you lost?
One chance encounter.
He was at the train station.
Just thought you'd bring him home and talk me into keeping him.
Tomorrow morning, we'll find out exactly where he belongs.
Became
Dad, I love him.
a miraculous story.
Does he have a name yet?
Yes, he does. Temporary guest.
Go ahead. Go ahead. No. The ball.
He's lost it. Sorry. The dog's already been taken.
Whoa! Good work. So go ahead. Go on home. Archie! What are you doing here? Been here all day?
No. He just showed up 2 minutes ago.
He's amazing. Every day.
Hachi! Hey, Hachi! You don't have to wait anymore. He's not coming back.
Based on a true story. One dog's loyalty
Hey, Hachi.
inspired a town
Is that the dog that I've been hearing so much about?
to discover friendship can last forever.
Every day, come, same time, same place.
Sounds like it could make a good story.
Starring Richard Gere, Academy Award nominee Joan Allen, Eric Avari, and Jason Alexander.
When I hear about my grandfather and Hachi, I feel like I know him. They taught me the meaning of loyalty. That you should never forget anyone that you've loved.
Hachiko, A Dog's Tale, based on a true story.
And that's why Hachi will forever be my hero.
Coming soon to DVD.
From Walt Disney Pictures,
I'm gonna miss you so much.
Left Behind,
Shadow is gonna love it in the country.
Have a nice vacation!
and Far From Home, they were determined to find their way back. Now, they've set off on an adventure into an untamed world. Across treacherous mountains, where danger waits at every turn.
I gotta tell you, domesticated animals wouldn't stand a chance out here.
And the forces of nature will test their ability to survive.
I miss Shadow, Mom.
It will be an incredible journey home.
Maybe that's where they went.
But that would be hundreds of miles.
In the classic tradition of Walt Disney Entertainment comes Homeward Bound, The Incredible Journey.
They walked the mean streets of the city.
protecting each and every one of us. Tough guys can't scare them. Rich men can't buy them. Absolutely nothing can stop them. Well, almost nothing.
Hey, didn't I tell you to go before we left the station?
This is Mike Dooley.
Are you even paying attention to me?
And his new partner. Meet Officer Lewis.
This is a highly trained, vicious police dog. But he's peculiar from time to time. What kind of animal eats chili?
He's a lover.
This kind loves cops. You got 10 minutes. Kill.
He's a rebel.
Don't you ever pull anything like that again.
He's amazing.
I can't believe all that came out of one animal. Look, let's get one thing straight. The woman is mine.
He's a hit in high society. But when he goes undercover, he has his own way of making a collar.
Hey, how about that pup, huh? I need a real dog. Benji. Did you see how he found all those cubs?
They're the two toughest cops in town. One's just a little smarter than the other. James Belushi in K-9.
We're here at the Arctic Challenge, the race that celebrates the bond between man and animal.
Meet the Snow Dogs. Diesel, Mac, Scooper, Duchess, Yodels, Sniff, Nana, and Demon.
These dogs are champions, except for Nana, of course.
Now, the greatest sled dog team in the world is about to get a new owner.
It's about a will. It's about some lady in Alaska. Alaska.
And this dentist from Miami is about to discover
Nobody said anything about a dog.
his inheritance really bites.
Where's those dogs? They're eating the house.
Why don't you pack up your big city butt and go back?
Let go! Let go!
This winter,
Place your feet on runners, keeping your weight centered, blah, 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 blah.
they'll test him.
Okay. Ready? Set!
They'll teach him.
This is insane! I'll show him be a regular sledge doggy dog!
And take him on the ride of his life. But most of all, they'll make him a champion.
Maybe you need to finish what you started.
Walt Disney Pictures presents
Let's go! Rush!
Academy Award winner Cuba Gooding Jr.
All this time I thought I wasn't in the right place, but I was.
Academy Award winner James Coburn. From a producer of George of the Jungle.
I finally understand sledding.
And the director of Beethoven.
Oh my goodness gracious! Hey, wait, let's all be cool.
Ted, you really stepped in it this time.
Disney's Snow Dogs.
Intelligence, stamina, courage, and heart.
Run, puppy! Run!
My business is dogs. He's undersized. He's trouble.
Well, good afternoon.
He's untrainable.
Stop that!
What does he bring to the breed?
heart of a survivor.
He outran every single one of them. He's not a sled dog. He's a lead dog.
What we have in our children is an epidemic. It's a death sentence.
They found a cure.
Round trip is 600 miles. You see that storm on the horizon? Only one man and one dog can make that run.
He's 12 years old. He's too old. He'll never make that distance.
Got one more in you, pup.
My guess is we don't find him till the thaw.
All right, Togo. Time for us to find out who we are.
I always thought he lived for the sled. When all along, what he lived for was me.
I got it, Togo!
Can I see you again? Maybe we can take a walk?
No.
No?
No. Well, you see, I'm starting to like you, and if we go on a walk, I'm just going to like you even more. And then one day we might even end up in love, and everything will go along fine for a while, but then one day, bang, you're going to pull your hair out, and you're going to scream, and you're going to say you never want to see me again because I drive you crazy, and I'm left shattered. Now, who needs that? Good night.
Scott Turner had finally found the girl of his dreams.
Oh, God, a woman in my house.
He finally had the perfect relationship.
So you'll be staying another night?
Oh, yes, of course!
When something big happened to change it. Something called Hooch.
Wait, whoa!
You don't know much about dogs, do you?
This is not my dog.
Now he's being swept off his feet and dragged all over town.
What are you doing to this dog?
I'll just take him for a walk.
All in the name of love.
Well, this dog loves you, boy.
Touchstone Pictures presents Tom Hanks as a man who'll beg.
Don't eat the car! Not the car!
Who'll bargain.
You're not touching the water, the orange juice, crab apple. What am I supposed to do? Make you a margarita?
Who'll pay any price.
$97.51. What? Is that pesos? This is for a dog.
He'll take care of your house. You're lucky to have him.
No. What have you done?
A man who'll do anything humanly possible to get the dog out of his bed.
Oh, that's it. I'm getting my gun.
And the girl back in his life.
I don't have room for a dog like her.
Not many people do.
Oh, no! You're in my house!
Turner and Hooch.
You know, we've known each other for a while now. I think it's safe for me to say, but are you aware of your drooling problem?
From Touchstone Pictures, Scott Turner led a neat and orderly life. Then he inherited Hooch.
No! Stop!
Now his orderly life has become a disaster.
What are you doing to this dog?
I'll just take him for a walk.
Tom Hanks is Turner.
Oh, that's it! I'm getting my gun!
And his new roommate is Hooch.
Don't eat the car! Not the car!
Turner and Hooch.
We've known each other for a while now. Are you aware of your drooling problem?
Rated PG.
There's nothing like the experience of raising your first dog. Of course, that kid's not even me. That's me. And that crazy hound I'm chasing is Marley, the world's worst dog.
Sorry!
But our story begins before Marley was born.
Dream house. Paint a Barney on the wall and you have a great little playroom. You guys are gonna have kids, right? Yes.
You want my advice? Get a puppy or something. I've never had a dog. There's nothing to it. You walk them, you feed them, you let them out every now and again.
This Christmas, get ready for a surprise.
1, 2, 3.
They're adorable.
Hi, puppy.
Marley, this is our house. And now it's yours. Marley, you can't go through a screen door. Marley! He's just like a little kid, except no furrier.
That's not a dog. That is evil with a dog face. Yep.
You get an answering machine, and then went back and had the phone for dessert.
A dog can only have one master. Which one of you has the most authority in your relationship?
Well, maybe I'll stand over there for the beginning.
I thought so.
On December 25th, give your family the gift.
It's just beautiful.
Well, put it on. Where'd you
Where'd it
do
go?
with it?
Oh, I put it right
Well,
here.
It didn't just disappear.
Of Marley.
Come here.
Marley, spit it out.
Go to the kitchen. Come here. That's a good boy.
Marley!
Marley! Oh, honey, I don't see it. Dr. J's gonna send over a laxative.
I think we need to find a new house. Whose dog is that?
He may be the world's worst dog.
None of this was part of the plan.
No, it wasn't, but it's so much better.
But he brings out the best in their family.
A dog doesn't care if you're rich or poor. Give him your heart, and he'll give you his.
Oh, he's making a break! Pull over!
There's a ton of traffic!
Marley and me.
I'm scared.
Of what?
The monster.
The game's just beginning.
I guess today just wasn't your lucky day.
You want me? Well, come get me!
What is it?
It's a Rottweiler.
Can't keep up.
Nothing that lives in the imagination is more frightening than the terror that lives in Castle Rock, Maine.
Cujo?
Cujo.
Can he get us in here? Can he eat his way in here? Can he?
Oh my God, I'm losing my baby.
From the novel by Stephen King, creator of Carrie and The Shining, comes a startling vision of fear.
Please, God, get me out of here.
Now there's a new name for terror. Cujo.